Hey everybody, I'm Yao and welcome to my channel. Hey everybody, I'm Yao and welcome to my channel. My name is Yao, spelled G-I-A-O and pronounced as Yao, and I'm an artist. In today's video, I would love to share with you my new portrait. So in today's video is going to be a painting of a portrait, and I hope you enjoy my painting. everybody, so I hope you enjoyed the video of my painting, and I would love to show you what the portrait looks like right now. So this here is the portrait. The background is just absolutely gorgeous. It goes into an aqua to a darker blue, and it goes into a pinky purple over here, and then back to a really beautiful purple down the bottom. And she's got like gorgeous purple and pink hair. And once again, this is influenced by makeup and makeup tutorials, and I just love putting on makeup, as you can see. In this painting here, she's got beautiful, bright, nearly fluorescent lips. So this here is my latest portrait, and I hope you like it. Hey everybody, so I hope you enjoyed my portrait today, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Up until next time, I hope you have a beautiful and wonderful time with all your family and all your friends, and I look forward to seeing you then. Bye!